feel you near, your name still ringing in my ear. I don't call, I don't explain, but you're written in the rain. I don't reach, I don't run, but you're here when the night comes. Shadows moving on the wall, like your echo down the hall. Every step I never take still leads back to your shape. I keep silence like a vow, but I feel you in now. Every space I leave undone still remembers what we were. I let the distance take its place, but it never takes a trace. I close my eyes to feel less, but you're there in every breath. Even when you're gone, you're still here with me. In the silence, in between every breath I take alone. You're here when you're gone. I still feel your name in the quiet, in the rain. Even when you're gone, you're still here with me. I don't need you to stay, you already do. Even when you're gone. Midnight falling through the blinds, still your voice runs through my mind like a melody that stays. Even when it fades away, I don't chase what I can't hold, but your warmth is in the cold.